Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to stop someone calling you without blocking them, which means if someone calls you on your mobile number and if you do not want to block them and simply avoid their calls, then how you can do that. So what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings of your device, and after that here you have to simply search for do not disturb, and this kind of feature you can simply turn on, and this will not provide you any kind of notification for the incoming calls. Moreover, you can also change the setting about notify calls from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts. So here you can simply select from contacts only, which means you can simply get the calls when do not disturb mode is on from your contacts only. And if you do not want to receive calls from unknown numbers, then it will stop those calls. The next thing you can do is you can simply forward the call, which you can simply do the setting on your Android device, and here you can simply search for call forwarding, and here you can simply select that SIM or network operator, and after that you can simply set the number, and you can simply forward that number to another your number or any number you want. In this way you can avoid that call by a simple call forwarding option. Moreover, you can also go for call bearing option, which available in many Android devices. So here you can see that there is option available call bearing. So here you can simply select the network, and after that you can simply check for the setting and apply the call bearing settings to that number you want to simply turn off the notification for your calls. In this way you can simply avoid a person calling you again and again without blocking them. Hope you have liked this video. You can subscribe our channel.